Welcome to this presentation about halls at the University of Southampton. In today's presentation, I'll be giving you an overall look at our halls and the lifestyle you can expect here. Then I'll talk a bit about the events and support services on offer. And then finally, I'll help you make a decision about which halls is right for you.
But firstly, hi, my name's James. I studied at the university and lived in halls a few years back. Now I do communications and marketing for residences. Me and many of my colleagues will be available in the open day chat if you want to ask us any questions after watching this, but let's get on with things. This is a quick overview of living in Southampton and what it has to offer. There's a huge number of rooms available at differing locations and room types, an amazing city that's perfect for students, state-of-the-art academic and recreation facilities, an incredible support network, and we believe a truly unforgettable halls experience. So these are the hall sites available for undergraduates to apply for. I'm not going to go into huge detail about each of them. I'd recommend having a look at our website for more pictures and details of what they have to offer, but I'll give you a quick rundown of what to expect. Glen Eyre is a very large site with lots of different room and building types, all self-catered. Mayflower is a high-rise hall site in town with a modern design, fully self-catered again. Erasmus Park is our Winchester hall supporting the Winchester School of Art. It's got a great close-knit community, all self-catered. Wessex Lane, another large and varied hall site offering self and park catering depending on which part you're in. With the variety of halls we offer, we know you'll find a home that suits you. This map shows where each of the hall sites are. The first thing to notice is that none of them are actually on Highfield campus, they're spread throughout the city. This is what allows us to offer such a variety of different halls. So how do you get to see your friends, go to your lectures, go out in the evening? You use the Unilink bus service, which can take you all around the city. Every student in halls is provided with a bus pass that gives them unlimited travel on the whole network. It also links you up with loads of amazing things to do around Southampton. There are sports grounds, including a dry ski slope and St Mary's football stadium. There's music and arts venues throughout, and one of the most popular places with students, the Common, perfect for an after-lecture sunbathe. No matter which hall site you're at, getting around is no problem. One of the ways we support our students is through putting on events in halls. These are a few pictures of the events we've put on recently. Firstly, we've got the Halls Roadshow, which is a freshers event, touring around halls in the first couple of weeks after the students arrive. Around 20 different services attend the roadshow, including people from the university, such as the library and mental health support teams to show students what help is available. The Students' Union with several of their societies. Last year we had the circus and ballroom dancing societies doing workshops with students. And lastly, we have some external organisations that attend, such as local charities and the fire service, talking to students about ways they can get involved and providing fire safety advice respectively. The next picture is from our social media. We're very active, engaging with students, running competitions and getting feedback. This picture is actually from a photography competition that we run every spring. The next picture is from Waste Wars, which is a competition where students compete to make their halls the greenest, with prizes on offer. The last three pictures on the right are from our student life team, who are a really unique part of the University of Southampton Halls experience. They're a 24/7 wellbeing team and they put on awesome events. They're really inclusive and wholesome, and they're fantastic at making sure that everyone feels welcome in halls. Between all of these different kinds of events, there's something for everyone to get involved in. On this slide, I'm going to give you an overview of the different support services that you'll be able to access in halls. They're all connected, so no matter who you speak to, you'll get the help you need. Student services are the first point of contact on campus for all queries. Our Students' Union represents students, help them, and they put on awesome events. Student Life, I've already mentioned the events they put on in halls, but their main focus is as a 24/7, 365-day-a-year wellbeing support team. This is the team that are available to help you whether you're feeling a bit homesick and need a cup of tea and a chat, or if you're going through a major crisis. First Support are a crisis support team that you can speak to over the phone or in person. And Enabling. In addition to academic and mental health support, they also work with us to help students who need adaptations to their accommodation. So speak to them if you think that might apply to you, and we'll make sure you're comfortable in halls. Whatever happens, we're here to support you. So to finish off this presentation, I'd like to try and answer the question that we always get at open days, which is the best halls? And it's a really tricky one to answer. I've met a lot of people at different halls during my time both as a student and as a staff member, and everyone will tell you a different favourite. We've asked students to send us a video about why they think their halls are the best, and these are some of their reasons. You can find the students' videos linked in a playlist on our Open Day page. They show that each of our halls has something unique to offer. Have a look at the student videos and the 360-degree tours and see which one suits you. Thank you for watching this video about the halls lifestyle in Southampton.
If you'd like to get in touch with us, use the details on screen or speak to us in chat. If you've not already watched our video about the Halls application process, click the link on screen now. We hope to see you soon.